Berkshire Hathaway posts a 40% jump in operating earnings, cash pile swells to a record $157 billion. The Omaha-based conglomerate's operating earnings totaled $10.761 billion last quarter, 40.6% higher than the number from the same quarter a year ago. Berkshire held a record level of cash at the end of September, $157.2 billion. The Oracle of Omaha has been taking advantage of surging bond yields, buying up short-term treasury bills yielding at least 5. Geico, the crown jewel of Berkshire's insurance empire, reported another profitable quarter. Buyback activity continued to slow down as Berkshire shares roared to a record high during the quarter. The firm spent $1.1 billion to repurchase shares, bringing the 9-month total to approximately $7 billion. Can't beat free cash flow. Meanwhile, Geico policyholders had a surge in premiums. They repurchased at $367.21 in September. Price now is $351. Their cash hoard has grown from 130B 147B 157B this year. I am wondering what their holding percents are this quarter. I bet they are buying some dragged stocks. Probably selling AAPL calls the next 3 years. Geico also laid off 6 of the workforce. What a monster. No doubt the correct move with their cash treasure chest. This is a strong buy, right? What are they holding in cash or short-term stuff? How many WeWorks is that? I've been buying long-duration treasuries too. BRK is a better diversity play. So all these companies having record growth and profits. Yet normal people paying up the nose on premiums and inflated prices on everything in the name of macroeconomic difficulties. F-king bullshit. They are basically taking away any savings from the consumer. But you can ride with these companies if you invest in the market too. It's those folks that aren't invested that are double FKD. It's good to have all the insider information on Wall Street. Totally legit. People need to realize it's normally not a good sign to see him piling up so much cash. I swear Buffy is posturing for this recession and is gonna unload his bags. I wish BRK would get like 40 of Sophie. Why don't they buy some T-bills instead of letting inflation eat up this huge amount of cash that is piling up? Maybe it's a dumb question, DNO, just wondering. He actually took a loss if you actually read his earnings report instead of a headline. I'd love to see Buffett go nuts and put like $1 billion into SpaceX or ARKK or something. Just make a totally crazy move and not say a thing until next earnings call. And then pelt Charlie with peanut brittle every time he starts to talk SHT. X200B. Seriously though, Buffett and Munger are heroes. $BRK. B is my favorite stake to increase. The Oracle of Omaha has been taking advantage of surging bond yields, buying up short-term treasury bills yielding at least 5. Can someone explain this? Isn't buying bonds now dangerous since as soon as there's a new rate hike the value of existing bonds collapses? And will still never pay a dividend. Is BRK even an asset? Boomer love. Gross. What's the point? Like, what are they going to do with all that money? Make more money? Wow, congrats, here's a trophy. Most useless use of money. Damn. Put that in a HYSA warning 5 and make an easy $7.8 billion in a year. I am glad Buffett and I have been doing the same thing, buying treasuries. Once he stops buying, maybe yields go higher. Cool. I can't afford groceries though, so Anyone know whether they purchased more AAPL? If the war chest is now 157B, that's not a good waters ahead.